In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use volume profile in cTrader. By the end, you'll have the volume profile indicator installed and configured on your chart, and you'll understand how to adjust its key settings for clear, actionable market context. Start by opening cTrader desktop on your computer. We'll grab the indicator directly from within the platform so everything stays seamless and secure. Once cTrader is open, head to the store and then choose Indicators. This is the built-in library where you can find and manage add-ons. In the search bar, type terms like Volume Profile Suite, or Volume Profile Pro. Different developers may package similar tools under these names, and you can check the descriptions to see which one matches your needs. When you find the one you like, click Install or Download. If cTrader prompts you to restart, go ahead and do that so the indicator is fully registered and ready to use. After that, open the chart you want to analyze, such as EURUSD or XAUUSD. Choose a time frame that fits your trading style, shorter time frames for intraday reads, or longer ones for swing context. With the chart active, click Indicators in the chart toolbar. This opens your library of installed indicators. Locate the volume profile you just added. If you don't see it immediately, use the search field in the Indicators window or ensure installation completed, then select it and click Add to Chart. You'll now see a settings panel where you can configure how volume profile behaves. Let's walk through the essentials. First, set the range. Some versions let you apply the profile to the visible range on your screen or to a fixed range you define. Visible range adjusts as you scroll or zoom, while fixed range locks the profile to a specific segment of price action, useful for studying a particular move. Next, adjust the histogram style. This controls how the volume bars appear horizontally across price. You can tweak row size or resolution to make the distribution smoother or more granular. Smaller rows reveal fine structure. Larger rows keep things clean and high level. Then choose your colors to ensure clear contrast with your chart background. As a tip, look for key elements many profiles display, such as the point of control, the price with the highest traded volume, and prominent high-volume nodes or low-volume gaps. These can help you quickly spot areas where the market frequently traded or where it moved through with less friction. When you're happy with the look and feel, confirm your settings and start exploring the price-volume story on your chart.